What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and as promised, you guys, we have Rosalind on the set. Hey. We actually only used the shiny pink of the Rosalind. I'm using this little pink leopard print foil, which I've been dying to use. I did like it. You guys, this nail set, OMG. So I'm basically going to take these nail tips and prepare them. I'm going to put the shiny pink by Rosalind on the underside of the nail tip. Now, this nail design I have been dying to do, and I want to tell you guys a little disclaimer. As I was preparing to do this set, I started to imagine it in real life, and I'm like, okay, this set, like, I actually really want to do something like super cool. But yeah, no, I took it the easier route to see how it would turn out. And so this set that I'm showing you guys right now is not the complete version of how I envisioned this nail set. This is more or less just like the blueprint version or the rough draft version, but I want to give you guys like a little visual of how I had in mind to actually do it. Honestly, you guys, the reason why I didn't do it the way that I thought to do it was because I just wanted to make this like a Rosalind video, and that's why I was going to use the shiny pink and the soft pink by Rosalind. I did not use the soft pink because I did not feel like tussling with it. I used the Modelones pink. You guys will see it. The soft pink is very soft, and I did not feel like chasing my polygel, so it was already hot in my environment. So I was like, no, I'm just going to use the Modelones. But originally, the reason why I strayed away from like doing the whole set the way that I really thought that like, oh, this would be so good, was because of the fact that I didn't want to bring another brand into the video and then go ahead and have to like shout that brand out too, because I like to shout all the brands out when I use their stuff, because gotta show that love. But anyways, yeah, so that would be the reason for that. So now that I'm doing these tips like this, I started to think that shiny pink is clear, so it would be really cool if I put a color on top of that, like a hot pink, which I have some really cute hot pink colors. If you guys have been keeping up with my unboxing videos, then you already know between Madam Glam and Nail Reserve, there's some cute pinks that I have. Well, then I was like, no, because after that, then I would have put the pink on top, and then I would have went on top of the pink with the foil. And so I was like, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put the foil straight on top of here. So that's what I did for that. Now, of course, I would have, when you guys see the end result, you're going to see that I did not, the blend on some of those nails, like especially the thumb and the index finger. Actually, in this video, I'm going to show you guys a picture of the quesadillas that my boyfriend was cooking while I was filming. So towards like the index finger and the thumb, I was so excited to finish that I just started like, you could see probably I was getting irritable. I'm like, I want to hurry up. I'm ready to finish. I wanted to eat. And then at the end, he comes over with the tacos, well, they're quesadillas, and I'm like, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna drop a picture on here so you guys can see that. You guys, they were slapping. I ate two. I was so OMG, they were so good. But anyways, yeah, so here we are with our Model 1s, which came in clutch. But I didn't have a lot of it left because I think I've used this on a couple of sets already. So yeah, man. That's another reason why my blend was off on my index and my thumb. But if you pay attention to the pinky, the ring finger, and the middle finger, I think I did quite well, if I do say so myself. And you guys, that slip solution lasts me all this time. And I probably could have used less. Like, you really only need a half of a dish. A little goes a long way with the slip solution. That might be another reason why at the end I was having a lot of trouble. Maybe my slip solution needed to be changed. But yeah, so I'm going to let you guys enjoy this blend real quick. And otherwise, how are you guys? Drop some comments in the comment section. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know how you've been enjoying my uploads. Let me know what's been up. I am low-key, I'm not like really excited for the fall or the winter seasons, but I am low-key a little excited because naturally the whole world, like, well, at least wherever it's cold, kind of calms down a bit, and you know, things are a little easier to manage. And so I'm looking forward to having like a cozy season where I can really just focus on doing nails and stuff like that. In the summer, I feel like it's always like, okay, we got to go here, we got to go there, we got to do this, we got to do that. So yeah, but anyways, you guys, other than that, I want to thank Rosalind so much again for sending me and my audience their products. Look at the blend on that pinky though. You guys, low key, I actually like did not even file that nail at all. I applied the polygel. Once I was done, I brought it out of the lamp. I had cleaned it with the alcohol prep pad, and I put a top coat over it. So that is the finished nail for that one. Now, of course, in my mind, I would have loved to do like a cuticle bling or anything, honestly, but mostly like cuticle bling. And as you can see, on some parts of the nail, the foil didn't really stick, which is cool because I kind of like the grungy look with the foils. I don't really obsess over like a perfect foil moment, but I think I will because I ordered from AliExpress one of those little silicone tools, so you guys should see my foils looking better in the future. But I was thinking like if I had a color under there, then it would have been cute, but there's just the clear and you can see like the little shiny moment coming through. Look at the ring finger though, and you guys, I couldn't really use as much as I wanted. That tube was on low. So anyways, I'm gonna recreate this set again, and I'm gonna like really go overboard, and I'm really excited about it. I would have loved to have like a lot of bling for this set and really just done it up, which I did also, spoiler alert, order some bling from AliExpress. So I'm gonna be doing a haul with you guys, and I got a lot of stuff from there, so I might just show you guys like some stuff here, some stuff there, probably do like a long haul video. I'm gonna be having some videos that are like only on my blog so that you guys can watch them, and they're not gonna be like listed on my main YouTube, so that'll be really cool. And yeah, that'll be for the people who are like, I really want to sit here and watch her on this video, like legit. I just want to see what she's doing. More like a live feel, you know, instead of like, oh, pre-recorded or having a voiceover and stuff like that. Definitely do want to start to do some behind the scenes footage where maybe I'll have one camera recording me like in real life, and then that stuff will go onto the blog and stuff like that. Also, how do you guys feel about like live videos when it comes to nails? Because I don't know, like, do you guys like to sit there and watch someone live just doing nails? Like, I really wouldn't want to, like, engage a whole lot. I'd probably just turn on some of my music and then just do nails. But is that entertaining to you guys, or do you like that? Or would you like it from me? The thing is, when I do make a come up, whenever that happens, I definitely want to invest into more space and personally like have a studio. The way that my like setup is right now, it's not like I can't really have any privacy because I have 2 kids. So if you have kids, you already know, which I think is like an excuse some people would say, but I'm like really, I want everything to be perfect. I'm like the perfectionist of all perfectionists. But yeah, look at me, like literally, you guys are gonna see I was tussling with these last couple of nails, and I cannot wait to eat at this point. I'm like, and my boyfriend, he's just over there like every noise he makes in the kitchen, every time I hear him grabbing the cheese out of the bag And like anything, I'm just like, oh, it's so annoying because I was so hungry and it was taking him forever. But he was making a whole lot of quesadillas, which they do take forever. They are so good and they're so simple, but they take a while. But we have multiple cast iron skillets, so maybe next time I'll just get like multiple of the skillets warmed up and then just go in there and do 3 at a time and stuff like that. But anyways, you guys, so yeah, I guess this is more like a chit chat vibe. I'm so excited for all the videos that I have lined up for you guys. You guys. I cannot even tell you. I have products sitting there that I have not even opened yet. And I'm just like so excited. One of them is from House of Supplies. It's acrylic powder. And I ordered a mystery set, and I think there's 4 or 5 in the mystery set. I think 4. But anyways, I don't even have any idea. I haven't opened it yet because I want to open it with you guys specifically. So I also have some acrylic powders that I purchased from Fairy Glamour. And I just looked up like some brands to see who came up, and I went with some of the ones that I'm like, and then all of a sudden, as soon as I start buying stuff, all these different acrylic brands on Instagram come up, and I'm like, I couldn't find you guys because like I follow brands that I'm like, okay, I would probably purchase that and see like how I like it. But I went with House of Supplies, or maybe it's House of Supplies. Yeah, it's House of Supplies. House of Supplies or House of No Supplies? No, it's got to be House of Supplies. You guys will see it. But I was very pleased so far, and I have not even opened my package. But anyways, okay, so I got some acrylic powder from Fairy Glamour, and I'm really excited about that. These colors are, you guys, I'm so excited. Then I have the haul from 𝑒𝑛𝑎𝑖𝑙, and I have another brand that I'm doing a collab with or a review with. But look at how they turned out. Honestly, just take away the index finger and the thumb, but everything else was so perfect. I was impressed. I would have loved to have more of an ombre if I had more product. But anyways, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Thank you so much for tuning into my video. I love you guys so much, and stay tuned for all of the good adventures ahead. And the best surprise of these nails is that the bottom has the shiny pink by Rosalind, but you guys already knew that. All right, you guys, I love you guys so much. I'll holla. Peace.